Hey guys, how's it going? And as you can tell, it's Thursday, not FPV Friday, but we're going to be doing FPV Friday on both these days, so part 1 today and part 2 tomorrow, mainly because we're doing some upgrades with Creative of the Week, getting the creatives on for interviews. So next week will be hopefully the day that we start rolling the new stuff out. So today what I plan to do is actually to do a whole video on learning Split S. So I went out and I tried it to get some footage, and then it turns out it's not actually as hard as I thought it was going to be. Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're doing a challenge for FPV Friday, and we're gonna try to split S this. So I've been able to split S nothing in the air, so I can do the movement, but I've never actually tried to split S a building or an object. So this is what we're doing. I don't know, does that count? So I was getting it pretty consistently apart from a few crashes. And because of those crashes, we have bent props, cracked props from running into metal poles, side of the balcony, trees, the ground. So instead, what's actually going to happen today is we're going to go through replacing the props. This is not a tutorial, it's more of just an update of my progress and of replacing the props this time. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so this is the drone, here are the props, and here are the new props. And ignore the random line of my shaky table here. So we're gonna go ahead and just take them off, which I'm pretty sure all you have to do is just grab the side bits here and then just hold the motors while you spin it. I think, but either way, we're about to find out. Okay, and it's off. Well, I mean, it's loose anyway. So the one thing I'm gonna make sure is I remember which way these are facing. So I think I'm just gonna do it one by one. So another thing is that these props are 3-bladed instead of 4, and apparently that just gives it a bit less power, which helps for beginners like me. One prop done. Alright, so there we have it, completely new propped drone. Looks really nice with all the red and all the red around the main body. So let's take this thing out for a spin. Alright, so just to wrap up this whole video, essentially I actually really like the three prop setup. I find it a bit less aggressive, which is a bit more appropriate for a beginner. So that's been it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time, which will be tomorrow, which we're looking at adding the FR Sky receiver to a freestyle drone.